Okay, guys, so this section is very important. Why I'm saying this? Because HTTP status code in if you are doing bug bounty, then you should know about the particular status code. Let's say if the error is coming 404, what does it mean? If it is coming 200 status code, what does it mean? If it is coming 302, so you will need to understand those things. That is the base of this bug bounty, because without knowing it, yeah, I can directly tell you that it will be very difficult for you for the advanced level of bug hunting. So you should know about these things, and let me tell you about HTTP status code. So it is issued by a server in response to a client's request made to the server. It includes codes from IETF, that is request form for comments RFC, other specifications, and some additional codes used in some common applications of the HTTP. So there are basically it is categorized in the 5 labels, and in those 5 labels, let me tell you. So the 5 labels are informational, success, redirection, error from client's end, and server error. Okay, so we will discuss these things each things one by one. So the first one is, if the status code is starting from 1, after 1, then it comes in the category of informational. For example, let's say 100, it means continue, correct? And let's say if it is starting from 200, if you are getting the status code of from 2, let's say 200, it means it is success. 201 means something is created, maybe some group is created, some admin is created, some user is created, it means it is success. 202 is accepted, it also means success. So anything which is starting from the status code from 2, after that accesses maybe 200, 201, or 298 up to 299, right? So whatever the codes there, it will comes in the category of success. Now let's see the next one. So now we have the redirection. So whenever it is starting from 3, that means let's say an example of 300, that is multiple choices, right? So you have a multiple choices to redirect somewhere. 301 moved permanently. You will see in when we will do bug hunting in this course, you will definitely will see 30 and 302 definitely. 302 means found, there is something found. And the status code which is starting from 4, number 4, right? And that is client error. So you have might seen that 404 not found. This is very famous, I think, right? So you everybody's know about that. 400, it means you have entered the bad request. 403 forbidden. And sometimes if you say if there is some payment requirement, then the error comes 402. So this is what the series of 4, it is known as a client error. The fifth one, we have server error. Means if there is any error related to server, that will comes in the category of 5.1. Means there will be 5 to 599, whatever the number, there is something unique things for that. Let's say for example 500, we have internal server error. If it is coming 500, then you should know about, you will able to know that yeah, there might be an internal server error, right? So let's jump into the next one, 501. So if you get the 501, it means that something is not implemented at the server level. 502, you might have seen this one many times, 502 bad gateway. So have you, let's ask yourself that, have you ever questioned yourself that what is it is 502 exactly, right? So it means the bad gateway. 403 is service unavailable, means the website, the server maybe are not available on that time. So that is what's 503. There is lot of more, but everything will be come from the 1 to 5 series. One series, 2 series, 3, 4, and 5. In these series, there are 5 categorization, as I said. But under these categorization, you will get more. Let's say if there is a series of four, you can get 405, 406, 7, whatever, right? So you need to learn about that, and I will give you the reference with that in one of the resource. So that's it in this video. Bye bye. Take care.